hunu bi e hye den e hye
picture ona ma menim se bia wo so ate bi se kwata by 2028 the NPP agu menim se wo so ate bi kwata 2020 se ne esi koi de hendu 2028 NPP agu
enwu china enwu china payense ya omo aso sa dai no payense ye dai no ebe kautri. There is a reason why our tradition is the oldest political tradition in Africa. 1947-48. There's a reason why. We have an internal fortitude. Your survival Nkrumah. Your survival Rawlings. Now we are, I admit we are in some crisis. But crisis can be self-renewal. You see, it's not every storm that comes to destroy. Some storms come to clear the undergrowth and the underbrush for a better growth. MPP enyang enwune nguchina enti wa payense ye bia wakokutu busum bi anim ana wakokutu baby etwa nwan twa nkukọ se MPP ngunu pe bibi fufuro ye nyina ye be sorry waka sorry pinting we will overcome. I have a saying that through adversity to the stars, and let me issue statement bisa, through adversity to the stars. The year feminina e ma yesu hunu bi e hye den e hye komu den na me wugidie mapase dance boa this one too shall pass. Na MPP no e be so asori agina ho ama ho ya akono ama tamfo aka se enkrofo ekura o de nafa na de nafa enyom kope bosom fufuro obebu edua we die enyadwuma we will survive.
Onrenafo baache eja akon na nwumre mene no etwetwe nkomo ofa ye hye nkomo ya se bisa o se eye no krese obekọ national chairman ma o ka se ane ekwan no ebie kwan to wonko ade a eden a obekọ now every da statement ba bontene se offer se kwan no da ho be contest for national chairman no ense bebre na yaka atiti bebre ene ade ise me ba wan kasankasa ofi me bo abobo ano se MPP for ebre no so na se omukoto aba de ma boache chairman ja akose national chairman MPP ben ena yebehunu under boache jako leadership.
Say ubisa ye party dodo no a de ombe kachiro niema bebre no ombe kachiro ebi ne say lack of discipline, poor leadership, I say we have no vision now. I say yenenemu keke
penini
fie. Some of the things and niema bia me pese ye de beba party. Number 1, discipline. Me the MPP ye share say ye form on 28th July 1992 no. There was a lot of discipline. And not just Darucha. All across board. So no, there was a lot of discipline. Now organization bia discipline nim no. Obi bia tobaha. As soldiers going to war with this discipline, you are bound to lose the battle or the war. trustworthiness. Me can say to be trustworthy, sincerity, straightforwardness, and steadfastness. Saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa mubehu wɔ Boakye Akun's administration a ɛbɛma party na ayɛ trustworthy. Gyidie bi bɛba yɛ mu sɛ yɛka yɛyɔ na sɛ yɛka motro modo ne adan ya no na kyina. It's not going to be an administration of convenience. Your constitution ne your mbra any common sense kyerɛ yɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ no. Munwie nyinaa nyɛ pempen so anakro. Ɛmfa no korɛ enye. Mpanyin se sadeɛ no one fan to baby ɛwɔ sɛ ode to a efiri to. So this is one thing people will see. Then take certain directions for the party and sticking to the direction. And also mubeti benkapa. Ebio, developing the human capacity of the party, especially young people. Look, ye mabuno e wo party ni num pransam omu ne musa obientimi enso wonmu enkyere won ne ye ne ne enye eni kwan kora e wo se ye faso eni ote party no mu a onhu se so tenem esum yi a there's some light at the end of the tunnel. Onu so betimi abeye panyini pa bi wo party mu. And it all takes a lot of grooming. It all takes a lot of grooming. I'll be a problem solver. And you say, assemba ne afa ne de atoha na ayi kokurasa sa na edaho na ye hunu ne ye deto. Now again, integrity. Integrity means to say your words and your actions match. And yes, say, o kan we ya na o ye bibi fufuro. Ebio, using the structures of the party. There is a reason why we have structures. There's a reason why we have polling station structures. We have electoral areas, we have constituencies, we have regional, we have national, we have NEC, we have national count. There's a reason why we have these structures. Some structures in yeshishe se omu ni dwuma bi my party. Now we bypass structures now. Now they won't never party. So long as these people have been given the authority to act on behalf of the party, use them. So wanya any owning will become. But men ko susu se obeba fan ho na look, me be a campaign manager. I want to mean some of the real problems are a war for. Oh no. Obehwe no na agiman bia ye no say ono na campaign no dia. Ekurase taman.
Tare.
Wajia ginem say police station for the omo men ho kra. Because onimubi. So no. Ena obehe na obi akofo women's club and na youth group bi na women organizers or more party no you almost those things have to stop. Say upe say ubwa ma anu ebeboa campaign for mo kwahye woman organizers upe say mabunu mobilize mabunu bi say for mo kwahye youth organizers use the party structure so that tensions are eba party mu any over resources ni nyina ebe brase. Again, one of the things you will see in my administration will be tolerance. Hey, politics nipa ho adwuma na wo ye. when ya butre nsia butre kitikiti to be say niyama bebre men ka say we die ni ho ni me mfaso ana we pas te say be me kan free ahye no party ni nyawo dia wo be dom ye ena nyame aye wa dom ena wonemu abe mu panyine buzi ana na o kana sembi o say sa woko techiman marketer suni ban bia wo ewo wiase wo he atotobotomfo wo ho akronfo wo ho atenenefo wo ho asofo wo ho etwitwa amenefo wo ho atutufo wo ho ebia wo ho bi ba wontimi nka se saafo we no atotobotomfo mempe won wo techiman market entimayi wo mafri ho.
That's almost okay.
Oh yes, sir. You don't have Techima market. You've created something else, but it's no longer Techima market because almost kaho ene Techima market. What you do is that upe pigeonhole na unimbebia ubia odi ubia ni station. Na wape kwanya oni sa phone nyina ubia be deal to your satisfaction. Untimi nka se we dia mempe wo mo ha. So you have to be tolerant. Unin uye nipo hujuma edding. So no, edding. Sometimes me too say, hey, tinyango pompa obo ni ba no say obo ni pewie no say, and he saw that it was good. Nipa. Sani etie. Enti also unya botre. Wonu wontimi nsesa nipa 100%. Nkrani so oba kudole. kakra o dada no na bebia opese okoduru no de nakodu. So these are some of the things: fairness, justice, humility of service. We need party na by force. Enti wuntimi mfa ahomaso anything trinity. Wa page wa battery se wo nko ana wuntimi mfa nya party. Edi akrokro kasade ehia se yetia obi so a nyakukuduro na tia no. To me, these are the things I want to bring on board. Ekwan edaye edwuma edaye nim no is different from the afem dadawo.
Okay.
You need a new sense of direction and san ye to me free to be a ye wom sese. Enti kakra meka afa hono.
Okay. Of ebi aka say uti hoi wo ya obi wo mu dada udi ya wo mu pa e wo party ho bia my campaign manager my say power ba wie ya me ko energy ministry ayapam me my say me de say me bregui enti sa ya wo do e wo mu dada enu ti se wo be national chairman wo ba betua party ne ka wo de sa ya wo no ne akoma no na e ba betua party ne ka se de mo ye me ne de me be boa mo tro position a chepa na mu ade am bepini ho asem no yi ano sen
yo
over
baby anyankopon aso me nsa edimi abedru se me ma ya utra me mu a no me ni nyame aye. Most of the times me hwe ma hyase free ashtan wa ne niema ma femu abisine so my mom pie cry every day. I say thank you Lord baby I would ma bedru sisi nanka me say ne hwan na wakotra Bank of New York in a position like that. So no udi yaw akusida be. Let me say without contradiction, makuma mu fine mi ni yaw over na yaw me nkwa nyankopon de chair me omo try so omo be gie free me nsem kura me ni yaw na obi a ono anadwuma ode ama me a waje na ade ono na mikodi yaw. na obeji party na wo adwene ne say yenka opposition. Are you normal? Opposition chairman dey no. Opposition chairman dey no. As opposed to the chairman of a governing party. Hey, me say 2008. Now almost every night me call that trouble. Now some me buy and near wabem. Me car insurance in I expire. Roadworthy na expire.
Onamu.
Me namu because MPP flag boom say koti. Me drew fra ha. Prosifo si etwa me pro say yen. Yes sir.
To me a de.
You lose election na e don you me say akwai he na koye o papers yes sir. Timi gina so one day. Any idea me ye bia na eja insurance me try na me dia bomb windshield insurance ni roadworthiness. Na enwumre bia bopeye 4:30 kobo 5. Me drew station ho. Inspector ojina ho no. Ohumia wo muna pull over. And I'm say Eddie. Eja. You the waka. You don't get insurance. You think we don't see you? We see you. You don't get power. We go show you pepper today. Let me take car. Come out from the car. She said, we're meaning me out to the nonsense point. Me see and I'm so inspector.
As I see Ghana here.
Oh, 2008, Frafra Barian. Inspector, the money ding obey Madame Fuleta. And I'm so inspector. I get insurance. I get what insurance? What you say? You get what? We watch you take. You no get nothing today. I go show you Pepe. To your bar.
The other side.
The other side, you know. Oh no, it will lie. When do you get up?
That is a question.
And I was inspector. It's none of your business. She said, "Who's a dear na shakwano?" Because no meaning say Jumo di be di me no.
Kedi.
Eneja. Come out. Eja me fruka me fona me chain me be so then the boys no. She said, "Oh, this can grow him free me say." It shows you say to me. And who won't fast forward to me a day. Usom ye ema ne chewo nsem a eboa wo de boa ho de boa wo man enti se obi besusu se me be the chairman because I'm bitter. First, I'm not bitter. My brabo baby nyame di mi asi no masa obi nyansa bia nko pe enti nya adwuma ba ko bi so no me say me ankasa 24 years at the Bank of New York at the very senior position. Me ankasa nyankopon kwa o de chair me kura no. Omo ye se omo gie free me nsem etu me sutuo no. I didn't get bitter. I could sit and have a conversation with Jerry Rawlings. I didn't get bitter. Na obia onu na djuma odi ama me no se efe de magime djuma ene na me koye bitter. Na ntino me beji national chairman position say me be say party. Look, do you know a bra ma bra was our party we? For 34 years my son party diligently. It's cost me a lot in the service of this party. So no, nobody can point one occasion me boache jako ma sorry akwentia party. It's never happened and will never happen. To obi ankana kuma to ne me meje party e medi opposition chairman and twaso new opposition chairman. My aim is to rebuild this party to its full strength. Because say obedi presidential candidate na party ni ye weaker udi Congo. My task as chairman is to build a solid platform so that anybody who is elected as flag bearer can confidently stand on and know that he's winning. Na me bo me ho abro. They say odwan no odi ne ho twi eban no na ogin se ni wura dan no said. Onim so say na we there. I am not interested in things like that. Bebia metifia dre. Having served this tradition for 48 years, having served this party for 34 years, obia otimi susu sade na bia onimu asem oka. Intinya nokure bia enim sa.
Asaka be mienu bi wa de di kan ba ko ne se bi mo so wa adwene se wutiwe flag bearer na wo pe aye president now paid on the ticket of your party. Inti omo pre kunwa nyina no. Emfie mu o chan omo nyina. Abrabom bia niema wo hu no bia omo hu ya na bibia tisanti. O no ti ho no hu se we flag bearer dada na ati ho no. Tinya wo na wo bebe chairman na wa ba be soa obi adwuma bi o president e dia ye na adwuma ma no wa ba be ye. Ti se national chairman wo be dia o be rub shoulders with flag bearer no. And what can say?
Da ben saafo no hu se ana mimi hu se me ye flag bearer. Material intia omo kasa. Na sa na tie there den am kosum president Akufo-Addo e ma na be di president. Se me hu se flag bearer. Adenti na ma mo abro president Akufo-Addo. Na nso me som ye e ma obedi president. Maybe a woman na flag bearer and time mama so. Obi any why ya wo no na flag bearer label eta no mama so. E ya dumbi ne ye de domo. E ya dumbi ene ye de domo. Ukobisa adesere PSC na esi ahene ne etu ahene fo no egitum a e na obey flag bearer. I know a true to say JH Mensah. Papa no meeting so anuma sorry. Kwampi anim nie. Kwam Safuadu. Omo nyina pre flag bearer. Omo nya. Sabi nyama fani wo mu bia o. Enya me size no ne sa nkrofo a mabobom JH Mensah Kwampi anim Kwam Safuadu Dr. Selby nom. Enyama feni wo enyama size kra ni wo enso omo pre wo mo enya omo kososo party so no ya dumbi ena party ma ededom say ya wo mi ena nka label bi ta me mama so say me flag bearer eni nka mekopa because obi person sisa me shebre enso nyame ene maye shebre on share me brese by all means me flag bearer adwuma e wo se me buaboa party no eno na mani da so ukosre ye de mawa waye yamfa mawa wadase ye beko chairmanship me boa adisrede na mde ko to party anim chairman label me mama so me ko sre de mamia mesom yamfa mamia matiase enti so obi gin say me ni obi ko robu shoulders ebi na nipa kro no onime ana onti politics na se you see politics it is a football team obi ani ni positioner obo esi ahene eni etu ahene eni selection staff omse wo kobo flag bearer position wo kobo chairman position wo kobo organizer position omo hihye se team no be win a na means so obia focus abon position a dey ahye nensa untimi nka se na nka me de nka me pe goalkeeper ene yese me nkobo half left half back ene yede enkwan yede na yede enye no ne dey ahye wonsa ye the 31st January the flag bearer be show binsa sa oni kura ye beyi no e wo se nyina abo ni chidom na position a ye de amano no omo ni position eduru baabi ni ye yi chairman na ye de mamia mesu mahwe so na mabom position. That doesn't mean say me ye bibi na nya obi ntimi correct me and now flag bearer ye bibi na nya obi ntimi correct no omo ni ye nante Akufo-Addo time. There were times I mean former president etimi transikano frenchim ebia say ni not once no can say me share so. In our campaigns, not once na Akufo-Addo can say you are rubbing shoulders with me and na Akufo-Addo no oditinti man wo party mu. But not once no can say me tria fa no so ana me share no so ana I'm rubbing shoulder. Ye nyina adwuma bi hye yensa. E wo se ye de opepa akoma pa ne ahoden ye sa adwuma no. Se ne e be ya e be si party ni ye. This party is not about individuals. So it's not about me and it's not about any individual. It's about all of us. Enti e penny ya. The man bia no ahwe so no adi sa adwuma no. Se ne be ya e be si party ni ye. Na yensa katumi a ya ye niema e sefata magana fo enyanye so mfaso enye gidi wo yi.
Okay. Ba kwa kan so wa ha. Me ka bia na foforo abeka ho. Eh asemo. Se ba bia MPP we. Mo pe o mo mpe o. Agija. Na MPP hia obi a wo ya wo ni mu. Obi a ono hu ni hu so so chen party. Eno aba be national chairman MPP hia obi a waye bida. No aba national chairman. Bo acheja ko nye sa nipa no. But you say, Obi Tio Nana, you know, Tis Assam now, also saying.
Obi Ninajun. I can also tell you, say, from 1992 party, my yebi wum papa. Of course, from Ashasie, na me wo exile, na nyadia mi tumi befie. But me ti America hono. Me di juma da rocha nom de share mensa and ehwo dance die fo bebre wo adole datiase davia madatiase kwampi enim datiase nipa ni bebre wo even kwamu sunu nyina me ni o ye adwuma from when I was in America me ba fie no so no ma meti anna. I was part of the 2008 campaign team. I was campaign manager for 2012. I was policy advisor for 2016. I was minister in 2017. Enti menye bi dano. Eno ne ne wo he. So no. Menye bi dano. Eno ne wo he. Experience biya wo benya no transferable. Being chairman is about leadership and management. Enti yaw 24 years amikodi wo Bank of New York rising to the position of vice president no and your experience. Experience pa. I can transfer that experience to leading this party. Because position and it was about leadership, it was about confidence, it was about integrity, it was about knowledge, and all of those. And yet, a battle direct party politics. Sometimes, obi wo ha nimre nyina or spend in politics. Into only external experience biya or de beka near ote e bia asylum down at the year. Ya say baby drone. It's about stature, it's about experience, it's about integrity, it's about a lot of things, not say menami yewe from 19 kojoho to 19 No, that's not what this is about. Who can carry this party forward with a strong vision, strong character, integrity, and all of that? And who can inspire? Because they say, no, MPP yaboto. Yapo, yanyintum. Party madodono aboto. Why nebe Kenya yen? And no, na mene yadam fubi dinko. No, say MPP. Say busumbe na mo kofa no abedani dua ya bomon. Who is going to inspire? That is part of leadership. So no. Into obisu aye bida. Ebia experience onya na twam. Make I say you call my first economics class, macroeconomics wo Pace University. Na Jewish professor bi. Na your classmates in the back home. First day, hey, akoi Thomas yo yin na yaba fufro sa no a ubehunehuna yen no aka wei we professor no hwe no bi sa ne say ye be no wie ni degree akoi boy ye no professor ni gina say you learn the economics of slave trade. The workers is a chum da. Enti bia experience bia wokano enenye djuma. We need somebody with the vision and the courage and the integrity and the respectability. Obi obetimi carry party no e dia kwani no. Enti eni sane amani de yaw min kan to me ho me wo bi pa. Na party for so nim say asemasi a yeto adi na chi asemasi a ya chichiri wo nyina mo kan wo wote ho sa ku no mo kan wo bi enti eni de empusu me and stress me. I have led in many instances and I will lead again.
Francis ne Dr. Rahid mungasa mutri hu na. Mene Francis ongasa ni tri hu no amayafa na ba me bo me. Anyway, ofa yase wo wasamba ko ataka pan so now you adwuma Bank of New York. All right, say ya be vice president. Bank of New York ya dey dwa asuma adwa te sabo aburu bank.
So
Ese ti sa chuma aburu bank. C'est service and loans be susu e so na we are na di dry assume na me ya adwuma Bank of New York bank issue ben.
So ni pakro kan me pedwuma wo ha no. Nongo he se sanetia. The Bank of New York, now called BNY Mellon, is the oldest bank in America. Oldest. So no. Aya bank kitua ho. Enti so biti ne manchia baby na ebro no so a ebi asa na obeka no. So no. Men ka say ya ho ya but ebi ade no ebro na dwene ne nti ase so. It's a big bank. It's the oldest bank in America. And I say Google aba.
AI crabber.
O say AI is anything kawe di enkanya din. So no. Enti nipa kura omo sa phone. Omo Google no omo hwe the listings of Bank of BNY Mellon on the New York Stock Exchange. So no. A bank that had operations in 125 countries. Then there's Achima Buaburu. Hey, others any?
For Mano Yao. Anyway, I was for Honorable Bacheja Akuna Mene Chuchun Common Yaka Kuya Nature Yaka Echo Crucia no. Na enumerate over Sabako, Munyan for boy lie or say Omawajo. Boy lie so Omawajo of her, although I suppose so say when you have track church and name. Now I would the campaign anymore din. Copies the BBRBC.
Ni boy lie.
Boy lie, yeah. Or say, oh no, a coon one cried African or Benny the into the one who knew who he. Now the Tanaho.
Naming that was ye.
Afe, or say, Nana, I can say, thank you for giving of Abuacheja the opportunity tonight. In fact, my heart is at peace now. Honorable Evans Kusi Bodun Sunyane, former MC, and also anyway say, Abba. Of our no.
Aye.
Okay. Kwasi being what you so say, or say Honorable Bacheja has spoken really well. He thinks about the development of the party. He's not like the others who try to discourage the grassroots. He should continue like that and advise others to do same. Trust me, Ofabu Acheja is my man, and I will campaign vigorously for him. Kwasi being just so besianse. Many happen to Odia Sempa Kwame Oware or say Honorable Boacheja, as always, is making a lot of sense on Peace FM, the platform show. God bless Honorable Boacheja, Man Torino. Okay. Mr. Kranting, Mr. Kwesi Kranting, also say, Nana Akese, catcher of asset, me mana money ejuma. JB and Sawam says, good evening, the Cardinal. Greetings to the Walking Encyclopedia, Man Torino. Thank him for the conversation tonight. It has been really helpful. Pacho mun jisho no free me sem. Mo me sa ma jisho no free me sem. Mo de mama mi se bisa question kakra na akara na. Ye fa enwie preko. But on a more serious note, Nana Akese, ask of Abuache Ejako about happenings in Parliament now, and what he will do as the chairman of the party to restore the party's dignity in Parliament. Over some way, na a common questions. I'm young person. Me bisa ho. Party do baby na more 169 seats. Now if you do baby 137 plus 1. And then more 87 is 80 quite a SGBF from Munsem. Now no, Mustafa Gbande as also move free. Bandaya or more ba in Soma do a jury. Or move in Soma do a jury or more coin or Bob consequences Nibican. Babisao under Boacheja chairmanship, saying MPP Ebeye. Parliament, the face of the party. Mobile anything.
Yeah.
Offer. Mame for encounter so in boom preko. Ebi aka say. Said them party na yes and even 87 no cry e wo ho no. E fa kese no aye afoforo, animu foforo. Adwuma no ko nte ase. Enti ne ye no be den. Seats bi wo ho a esese mo bossa seats no ho ban. Kan nyina ba omne ya na me hwese na besia ye no.
Yo. Ade a wo hunu bi da. Ana bibi a wa fa bi mu da no. Eni se boom.
Okay.
1997 Parliament under J.H. Mensah. No me 61.
Rawlings 2.
Yes, no me 61. Overwhelming odds against them.
Sabe na Parliament is 175 ana.
200 and 230.
Okay. That 1990.
1996. Yes, okay. 1996 elections. No, that brought in the 1997 Parliament.
Okay.
Yeah, 61. But with dedication and strong leadership, we turn things around. Tia hunu bida. Because I said those days, Oko JH Benson officer. Do I jahonum de go? Omo bepe bibia free no. Papa, where you be any sing? The cohesion of the opposition then, with this strong leadership, no, controlled the majority.
Okay.
Mishia MPs, 88 MPs were quo. That was part of my address to them. They want to be paying. Enti omunye pempen so na ekro. Enyina pinti. Na emwabia omuhia from the outside parliament. Omun solicitors am one. So because NDC for omun yet we down better so betria house. But make your arguments. Well researched, solid arguments. Ghana for in all the noise, you know, you bet ye
of an 200.
200.
NDC 134, MPP 60.
61.
PCP 5 and People's National Convention 1.
Yes.
Okay.
So no. Ya hunu be pay. Enti ye enshishe yi wo parliament wa. Me sure say a choir far so in 1997. Ejina Pinti ma ye beye the majority side in 2000. A bit me assign repeat that experience. Strategies near the nyade kanabonte. Na yen nyina yemfa adwene emrem. Ye ne current leadership no enim komo contribution bia ye wono ana enimdie bia ye wono yemfa mwa wo mo. Rather than sit back and criticize. And the way you say, and the way ni mikasa, and the way can say, no, emwa. Rather, no, if we have corrections, let us give it to them. Say, well, ideas bia, yamfa mawomo. Say, well, nimdia surunkumbia, yamfa mawomo. Yensom saube na adie no edeng, adane. Enti yahunu be pain. Ye mohu ena ye mo obi so ehunehuna ye minim se ye nyina ye de adwene bom ye nyina ye de ahoden ba ema current 86 no we will move the needle and improve our situation. New people in parliament.
Okay.
Omo call 97 parliament. Na do no aye new. Ope so usua bibia. And you are diligent. Ube hunu. So no. Me kai say those days who are New York and JH Benson fro it be 3 weeks to the budget. No afro, no amount assignment. No actual paper breno. Or say paper we as a see before no one discuss it. Most of them were new. Right? But they were able to learn. You share parliament I say 92 no. Now how many of them were former parliamentarians? None. So no. Enti me enkase na omu ye new into omu nye sankwaso e be a parliamentary procedure na womu enfe muda but nyamincha de I'm sure all of them have parliamentary practice by Lord Erskine Mace okaya kyerɛw biribi. All of them have the standing orders. Wɔn a adada no a ɛwɔ hɔ no so no etumi kyerɛ wɔn. Wosɔre kɔ Professor Michael Quay hɔ a former MP, former speaker, ɔbɛkyerɛw biribi. There are a lot of former MPs. They are all resources to our party. And if we tap into those resources, ebe onwanwa say omo ye ene yesre wo say wo ye new no, they will show a flash of experience ebe bonse mo amom enti mem no enya dia hayen
offer baby a mo was see wa cheche senior say omo pe Frank Kura no obia conducting ho ene ade but wo timupo bi say bia no omo be hia maako be srasra omo maako ansana 31st no edru wo timupo bi sa.
You see, a party there are a lot of trust issues.
Okay,
Mishia omo as wine
as boacheja ko
one wine your party there obi anya obi a
someone am party na sha say no obi anim nyansentra
Debi
money ati dodo
yes Debi yes ani ati dodo
obi asmeni ati obi asmeni nyansa
so kwanansifo obi wo mu de megitum so no me ahasen me ye ne se ginachire na enkoyese uni we ko kukuam ko kan say na wo free ho a wo ko we ho wa ko kan something else wo free debi me mpese obi nya me hu trimu kabi ana suspicion bi say odaha afutu obi a was a medema on individuals ebi wo ha me de ama won ana omo ni omo ye adwuma no so no obi ti sa abo apapo
osu bempa
me tie no radio so time bi na me friend am say ura MPP ni na okasa sa no also minister we there I'm sorry me can say it's effective so enye da bia na
of any frabronyenso
me friend no
ache of a friend
me friend and so be fa there but you see
original chairman pa MPP original chairman MPP agwa wi
David yeto no so aba so no na sometimes no unim dikudie nti anipa bi to aba ko baby they saw something in Abronye. So no, he's been chairman for a while. Intermediate, I don't worry about those things yet. The Dayanimuno any here. I was see a new obi ekasa kukuem a footstool kwanswa. Why not? I was see a tia obi kukuemwa. Why not? I was see a sre obi kukuemwa. Why not? So no. To say the kind of politics no. Nipa ye hu hine. Enti gisa abotre. Na say die atrashi nyamene nukure ni atrashi. Enti die wose ye bia akoma beba fo. There should be now more light than heat. Because Ghana for ni eni omo di nkomo sese o. Enye party for per se. Se yenkwa ye ni edi e hu nkomo no obi antibia. But ene social media o internet o asem bi na TikTok radio LWS.
So what dem abomo de asem nko hoda.
Uye uwo ha na bia be fa phone so enti enye say yesuro se ene nkrofo be kasa but obi wo ha o komo a oni ne kan bibi enye yi this are community na ni so
di o kai so hwe nso hyegun so na kom na ti ase
eti na ni so afei e na oni ne kasa eyi enti yegu so enya ade a ya paba
Okay, JB Sam says, Nana Akasipa, MPP a goose saying, Master Hui, Miriam Hui is an MPP. Of Afianwashia. Yababa Bium no na and carbo so many fan. Be a indi brunya mra, Baban Zabra, and be a new Bish and be a cabin or Triana and Ochimino. Now Moka Kotua Bay flag bearer. MPP for 18 energy. Ebi obi a onye MPP ni so na mwade ye ne fe nti bire bi nanka okamba mo ho na sisi ade mo ho nya na kono biom sa kofo ni nyina wa adwene bi se MPP fo no mo how kese ba akwa bi ase mo nhye da fa mo ni nko ho ne se mo nim se ne ye nipa MPP nim ne de mo opposition businesses no mo ta mo chi na we mo nom de mo sika e boa ne ade trimodin ne ade nti mo ba de bodwa ni dwomni ba no kra be die kra minister san pa afa kan ne de ho sanfo ni nyina bu fu mu 2024 ne ade de ne assurance awde ma mo na afi kwa fisher pass ma awde ma Ghana for it
yo say niema atochima ana etochima ne de bebre I will not belabor those points, but give the assurance to say, near ya nyin yi no mumfanche na yen sai se sa niema ne de suni yen bio. We can only give our word, but the word must come from a source that has integrity. Nano di obu kwasiano oni kro obu kwasiano ono abegina wanim se mimu kwasia biwa ya na nigidie no edin so the credibility of messengers is going to be important. But the meeting asreti memufo an se monfa ne se modie ne yen ya fom sebe akoko batan ni netia ba inkumba modi cheye se ati ni so wan pa ebinum na still omu units omu bugu oni so den sign but ebesa
da hye
so ebesa modi cheye eno so be brain asiamaya ho brase bi se e science some de chair yenti no eso se she tutu ya namoye na nsan ko hwie mu cause e se afutuo ensakra ni pagi se nsɔhwɛ a yafa mu de e ye nsɔhwɛ pa nsɔhwɛ senior prefect
mu de museum ponya nsɔhwɛ
enti yaso medikoto sre ene besre temamufuo se munkoso munya koma pa bi ensan metaechi na niema bebre ebesa party o kana sa it's only going to be the honor, our honor of the word. Me hope say Ghana for muti mubeso mwamai na party for no so a ye koto aba no yankai hunu se asodie bi da yeso akono a ye gina sesei no oman no so ya hwa ahwe se so niema ya anko yi no. Are we going to conduct ourselves and elect a leadership that will do it differently? From a presidential poll all the way to polling stations. Me sure say, and select leaders from polling station all the way up who will do right. We will see a strong revival of the new patriotic party. Never say die. Media party makuma free muda and a mijidi soon free muda. Minim say ye share said day. You're best sorry, and we'll always get up stronger than before.